Kaya, pagpapasok na po. Kaya nga, percent, lahat ng kona, malamang alam na kayo sa kami. Ano na may mapag-aaral. Ang susunod.
Nasa Manila. Okay ka lang? Hindi active di ba yun?
Nobody gets me like you. How am I supposed to let you go? Only like myself when I'm with you. Nobody gets me. You do. You do.
Ay!
Nobody gets me. You do.
Uy! Trainee mo! Yung trainee mo!
Are you proud of me? Yes or no?
Gets me. You do.
Ano ba? Dapat titingin sa'yo.
Salamat ka kay Wanna lose what's left of you. I was supposed to tell you I don't wanna see you with anyone but me. Nobody gets me like you. I'm supposed to let you go. Only like myself when I'm with you. Nobody gets me. You do.
Hindi marunong ko ba kumanta? Kuya Shan? Kuya Shan, ano kanta ka nga? Kanta mo ba kayo?
Hindi kumakanta na siya.
Di pala
Kuya
siya.
Christian. Anong Kuya Sean? Pag may mic.
Kuya Shan, Pepe, pag dito mahirapan.
Kuya Christian.
Ama. Christian Natividad!
Mali.
The camera shine so stylish. Baby, tears are gone. Draw down, yeah. Looking like an icon. You were the worst, as sick as it sounds. You loved you first. I was a dick, it is what it is. I happened to kick the angel curse. I had to laugh whenever I'm sad. I stare at the crowd, shit actually works. Making amends, this shit never ends. Joy riding down our road. Call me Miss Cry, baby. Call me Miss Cry.
Legit talaga
Pagod na kasi ako eh.
Go run, go run. Pagod ka na sa akin?
No, I'm pagod on my work from being an SA, a student leader.
Pero hindi ka pagod sa akin.
I will never be.
You'll never be a monster.
So don't cry.
Okay, I'm not crying.
Ang taas, no? Kaya mo ba yun? Alam mo, hindi ko nakita ang sinusupport mo.
First.
Inuuna pa yan!
Ayaw mag-ano sa background, ba't to?
Gago tong mga to, oh.
Si Kuya Shan naman.
Ikaw na, be. Ayaw mo ba? Sasaluhin kita.
Ano
Lagi
yung
naman
sabi mo kay Kuya? Ano first impression mo kay Kuya?
Lagi naman kitang sinasaluhin.
Ano siya? Kuya siya.
Ano ba yan? Kala ko yung shot. Natanda ka, Ada.
Huh?
Uy, ano ba?
Uy, 20 pa lang ako.
Wait lang.
Anong kaya? Kaya ka mahalis.
Ay!
Kuyo!
Uy, kaya mo ba? Uy, di mo kaya sasaluhin kita. Uy, tayo nun sasaluhin kita kung di mo kaya. Lagi naman ako sinasaluhin.
Saluhan tayo. Si Kuya Shan, ang first impression ko po sa inyo is...
Uy, umupo ka. Bakit nagpupo ka?
kasi mukha siya mas matanda sa ako.
Ikaw pa nampas.
Pero I think his personality is, not
Not heavy. Tao? Bagay? Hayop?
not combining.
Combining?
20 na po ako. March.
20 din siya?
Handa ng birthday. May? Ay, ako mga matanda.
Oo, ikaw.
Kasi ang mukha akong bata eh.
Ay,
Hindi na mo, ulit lang.
para ba wala nangyari? school.
Kailangan na sandala ng ulo. Heavy-headed.
Tawagan mo si Joel, dali.
Tuloy akong tanga.
Sabi mo lang, kaya sa'yo, walang time si Joel sa'yo.
Ay!
Puso ko ngayon.
Wala mo nakita ko na yung
Lumuluha. Dahil iniwan mo akong mag-isa.
yung mga sabi na namin
Sana hindi na lang
Uy, umiyak! Hindi! Hindi ko umiyak! Feeling nyo lang! Hindi ko umiyak! Gago, bakit?
hotdog tayo for now. 2 hotdog.
Hotdog?
3 hotdog.
Kasi ako nag-cute. Ako'y lasing.
Ikaw, kumuli ka sa tag. Ah, Rachel, ah. Kate, patong ko sa lap. Dalawa na to?
Pag makakatingin ka sa'kin parang may balak ka pa. The way you look into my eyes, I know you want it.
Uy, pa-extortion.
Yung tayo. Magpapit ko sa'yo ng mga kaya
Sayawan natin, sayawan natin.
Baby, here's everything. Sumabay sa alon. Ibig ka
Uy, bakit ba? Uy!
sa'yo isa.
Uy, hindi na umiyak. Akala nyo lang. Bakit? Bakit, Kate?
Basta you want it. Huwag mo akong subukan.
Hindi kasi malayo ba yung uyan?
Mag-iherman pa yan.
Bago pa maubos.
Bakit? Nakakatuloy yan tayo doon.
So, baby, can I dance with you tonight? Dance, dance with you tonight. So, baby, can I dance with you tonight?
Is the strongest person I know. She got this. Yes. She got this.
Hindi ka nag-skip?
What?
Hindi ka nag-skip? It's safe back then.
Bakit ka umiyak?
No addict, no addict.
No, addict at all.
No addict.
Yeah.
How to? Thanks to.
Stupid. SPRR.
Yup.
Because my
So,
friend.
wait. I have a question.
Yeah.
Why is she crying?
Because she's kinda stupid.
No. Because of what happened to MPRRDD.
Yeah, she's crying because of her father. You know,
Yup.
her father is in Netherlands.
Yup.
Nice, ang dami nila sinasabi. Because of some stuff, you know.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
Video
Come back here.
Everything is fine.
Yeah, everything will be fine. And you're wishing for that.
Yup.
You know?
No, I'm wishing. I'm a...
Tama na.
Oh, what the fuck?
Ikaw naman ako, what the fuck?
Wait.
Yeah, you go drink. Why are you crying? No, I'm not. You're not. Tell me. No, that's your saliva. Yes. Yes. Bakit ka umiiyak? Why? Isa dito na nag-iiyak. Matasaliva ka? I'm sorry to go to your eyes. Why?
Can everyone taste your saliva, ma'am? What's the taste of
Can
it?
I wipe their saliva? No?
No.
Okay, I let it go.
Can we just at least taste it?
No?
No.
You're so conservative.
You're so selfish.
Filipinos are always conservative. Because Filipinos are nuts.
What a fucking idiot.
Oh, nawala sa frame!
Wait, alam mo masasabi nyo kasi walang pasok ang mga kabataan ngayon dahil sa kikinig? Well,
Because of what? No. We can understand you. Change it.
What can you say about it? when the other public schools have no classes today? Well, because of the high index. Well, mainit ba? I guess it's not mainit.
Don't speak
What the fuck are you saying?
in the language we do not understand.
How about the price of
Bitch.
onions? How about the price of the onions? Well, I can live without onions. Yeah, you can live without onions.
Hala, naiyak siya. Parang gusto niya ng onion.
Anymore? Yes, you can.
You can't live without who?
I just can't do it.
Ano yan?
Chocolate.
At least about some eggplant. What can you say about the onion? The onion.
Onion.
Onion. What can you say about it?
I can't live without onion.
What the fuck? Sabi mo kanina pwede.
Well, I can, but
You can.
initially I can.
What the fuck are you mean? Are you mean? What the fuck?
Uy, kape tayo after pag-uwi.
After pag-uwi.
Sige, magsasit ako kapag nakakuha na ako, ha?
Wait.
Magsasend ako ng meet link.
Before umuwi.
Before.
Nagkamali lang ako.
Can everyone agree to that?
Yay!
Yes.
Yes.
You.
Yes. Do you agree that we will get coffee when we were 18?
The last time I hear her verse, she said to me,
Video kita, ha?
I said to her, bye.
Ano? Sige.
Joke lang.
What the fucking shit?
Oh my
Who did that?
Who did that? Me!
Uy, si Ay.
Ganun mo talaga yung tagtog.
Dapat ka. Baso o siya. Baso o siya.
Last time I
Uy! Napupusok ka! Okay lang. Stop.
nasa video ako.
Uy, Rachel!
Uy, mabububog ka. Oh my God!
Okay lang. Dito malagay. Dito malagay.
Ito, malili.
Uy, Rachel! Oo nga.
Graduate.
Tagalin na yung card.
Charles just passed by over here. Dapat ano right?
Kaya nga, tagalin na
What
yun.
can you say about that? I think we should dream it
Mga
up.
Oo!
You know.
Tagalin na yan. Diba sa labas? Oo!
Go. You change your clothes. It's an outside clothes. Then after that, you sit here. I will, you know, give you some drink.
You drink up?
Yeah, you drink, okay?
You know the story?
What? Lisa, baka mabubugla ka lang. What story are you talking about?
Rachel, baka ikaw naman.
Wag lang si Risa. You know, Chanina.
I know that.
You know, Chanina. Just Miss Charles, you know. So, you know,
What about me?
Ganun lang. Sa ano, basta.
I just let Chanina to cry. Because it's normal. She miss Charles.
What about the...
Love you. She miss Charles. Oh, stop. Okay.
I will whisper it to you.
Stop!
No!
Tapyaping!
From missing Charles. That's normal. Miss Charles?
Fucking yup.
Daddy, chill. Tyron, are you still okay? Are you still alive?
Are you
Can
still
you
with
say
us?
amen? Can you say amen? Amen. Say amen if you believe in him.
I don't feel good at all.
You don't feel good?
Yeah.
Why? Why is that? Nandito video ng video, puta.
Sabi ni Rachel.
Why? Janina, it's okay. It's Charles, you know. Part of the process.
Charles starts with C.
And it's
It ends with
it
S.
follows with H. Next is A. Next is R. You know, it's okay.
Next is L and E and S.
Guys, nabuo ko na guys.
So what?
Charles chose to leave you, then let him go.
Galing. Binaliktad lang.
What can
Oh,
you say
tutorial.
with Charles?
Tutorial sa kanila.
So, kapag nirumble mo lang to,
Pabilisan. Guluhin mo muna, tapos ano, ilang seconds kaya mo. Buuin.
3 Charles
3 seconds. Okay, pakigulo.
Irarumble ko.
Okay. Wow, gulong-gulo.
Yeah, he doesn't keep.
Wow.
He just
Oh, baba, ibaba.
He does
Baba.
montage mo na. So much. Montage. You know?
because of the family problem.
Rachel Alvesa open.
Oh, am I not supposed to say that?
Galing ko guys, di
What the
ba?
fuck? I'm so stupid.
No, it's okay. You don't
I don't know.
know it. Look it! Sorry, love you. sorry. I love you.
So, what can you say about him leaving you or dumping you?
Message for Carla. Gulo nila. Shot.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
It's your shot. Shut it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's shotted.
Sakit.
Ano?
Ang fucking bite my tongue. I'm fucking
I
stupid.
thought I heard you. I'm so sorry.
I'm fucking super fucking stupid. What the fuck? Me already. He.
It's okay.
Her. It's her shot.
Tama na. Wait, I can manage. What time is it?
7:30
In the AM?
PM.
Hindi eh.
PM fucking stupid fool. Fucking fool.
What?
Fool.
You're so full.
It's 7:30 PM fool.
Janina!
Bakit?
Wait mo na! Kumain ka!
Saan mo siya nahihiya?
What is Hamer?
Oh, I'm just telling him to Dylan,
What the fuck?
Rachel, nahihiya siya.
Huwag ka maya, Dylan. Kami lang to. Tuloy. Rato din. It's someone's skin.
May ano yung anak yan ha? Uminom mo siya?
Good for you.
Tubig lang yun, bawal siya uminom.
Daily, itubig yun.
Asahan mo!
You go. Pinalok na. I'm watching.
Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Asahan mo!
Oh, daw. It's your juice. Yung kaya ka na. For Dylan, uminom ka ba? Uminom ka? Of course.
Hoy! Bawal ka uminom. Pero sige. Dylan.
Practice.
Para po, dinig pa.
Ako dinig ko, pero...
Kaso pag nagpara ako, mamaya wala pa pala sa akin.
Ay, di sinasabi niya.
Papagalitan ka ng driver pag nagpara.
Pa! Ganon.
Oo, para po.
Excuse nga po.
May nakikipag-communicate na.
Nakauwi ka ba? Nakauwi yan.
Huwag yung minamaliit yan. Tignan mo. Maya-maya na sa Adidas. Ala.